Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Vedic maths trick, which is crisscross multiplication of any 4-digit number into a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number, or a 4-digit number. Let's take example for each of them. The first example, when number of multiplicand is a 4-digit, that is 4, 2, 9, 8 for example, multiplied by a 2-digit multiplier, that is 32. So I'll first have to equal the number of multiplier and the multiplicand. So I'm going to add 2 zeros in front. Now adding the total number of digits in both multiplicand and multiplier including the zeros are 8. So I'll have 7 steps to perform. So let's get started. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0 again. 2 times 0 is 0. So 0 plus 0 is again 0. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 9 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So if I put 0, 0 again it will be 12 only. So I'll just keep it as 12. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 8 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6 bar. 2 2s are is 4 plus 8 zeros are is 0, 9 3s are is 27 bar, 9 2s are is 18 plus 8 3s are is 24 bar, 8 2s are is 16. So if you can count the number of steps, it will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now let's add everything. This would be 14, this is 31 and this is 42. So now let's balance it. So balancing it from the right side, 6 I'm going to write as it is. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 finally. So the final answer will be 1,37,536. Now let's try the second example. So in the second example, number of digits in the multiplicand will be 4, that is 3, 6, 9, 2, and the multiplier will be 3. Let's take 1, 4, 3. So now again, equal the number of digits in the multiplier and in the multiplicand by just adding 1 0. Now total number of digits is 8. You will have 7 steps to perform. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 0 is 0. So 3 plus 0 will remain 3. 3 4s are is 12. Plus 9 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. Bar. 3 3s are is 9. Plus 2 times 0 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 6 4s are is 24. Bar. 6 3s are is 18. Plus 2 1s are is 2. 9 4s are is 36. Bar. 9 3s are is 27 plus 4 2s are is 8 bar, 3 2s are is 6. Now let's add everything. 12 plus 6 will be 18, 9 9 18, 18 plus 24 will be 42, 18 20 it will be 56, 27 35 and 6. So my final answer will be, I'll take 6 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 plus 6 will be 9, 5 plus 2 will be 7, 8 plus 4 will be 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So my final answer will be 5,27,956. Let's try the last example where the number of multiplicand is equal to the number of multiplier, the digits. So the third question, let's take it as 3 6 7 4 into 1 2 8 6. Now it may become a little lengthy because we are going to do a lot of addition here. So 3 1s are is 3 bar, 3 2s are is 6 plus 6 1s are is 6 bar, 8 3s are is 24 plus 7 1s are is 7, 6 2s are is 12 bar, 3 6 are is 18 plus 4 1s are is 4 plus 7 2s are is 14 plus 8 6 are is 48 bar, 6 6 are is 36. I'm going to write in the next line 36 plus 4 2s are is 8 plus 8 7s are is 56 bar 7 6 are is 42 plus 8 4s are 32 bar 6 4s are 24. So I will add everything here and I'm going to write separately in one line. So let's add it. 6 plus 6 will be 12, 24, 31. So 31 plus 12 will be 43, 18, 22, 32, 36. So 48 plus 36. 48 plus 30 is 78. 78 plus 6 would be 84. 36, 44. 44 plus 50 is 94 plus 6 is 100. 42 plus 32 will give me 74 and then 24 as it is. So I'm going to write these numbers in one line. Now let's balance this. So this is ones, tens, hundreds. This is hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is thousands, 10,000s. This is 10,000s, lakh. Then it will go like that. So first number 4, I'm going to write 4 as it is. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. 1 carry on the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. So my final answer is 47,24,764. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.